Before buying a bike tail light, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You want something that not only shines bright, but is also reliable and easy to recharge. Let's dive deep into the best options out there. Product number 1, Canway Bicycle Rear Light. First up is the Canway Bicycle Rear Light, priced at $22.73. What caught my attention was its bright 168 lumens output and USB-C rechargeability. If you want a light that gives you excellent visibility on those dark rides, this is worth a serious look. Plus, being waterproof ensures it stands up to unexpected rain showers. It's designed for both road and mountain biking, so you can ride with confidence knowing you'll be seen. Now, some people complained about the light not being as durable as expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not withstand extreme conditions, for regular use, it's a solid choice that offers great brightness without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter who rides in varied weather. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can take a serious beating in rough terrains. For the price point, it delivers great value without sacrificing quality. Product number 2, USB Rechargeable Bike Tail Light. Next, we have the USB Rechargeable Bike Tail Light for $18.94. It's super bright and has 6 lighting modes, which is fantastic for customizing your visibility. If you want a light that adapts to your riding style, this should be on your radar. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variety of modes allows you to switch between steady, flashing, and even a slow blink, which can be crucial when you need to catch attention quickly. It's also lightweight and easy to clip on and off, making it super convenient for those who want to go from bike to bike. Now, some users noted that the clip can feel a bit flimsy at times. But honestly, as long as you secure it properly, it should hold up just fine for everyday riding. It's a trade-off for the lightweight design. This is perfect for you if you enjoy casual rides and want something easy to manage. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty use. For under $20, it's definitely worth considering. Product number 3, Ultra Bright Bicycle Rear Light 2-Pack. Coming in at $16.27, the Ultra Bright Bicycle Rear Light 2-Pack is a deal you can't ignore. Getting 2 lights means you can keep one as a backup or outfit multiple bikes. If you want reliability and value, this is a solid pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each light offers 5 modes of brightness, ensuring you're seen no matter the time of day. Being waterproof adds a layer of security for those rainy rides, and the fact that they're rechargeable means you'll save money on batteries over time. However, there were some complaints about the battery life not lasting as long as advertised. I'll be real with you, while it may not last for days on end, for short to medium rides, it does the job well. This is perfect for families or those who ride frequently and want an extra light handy. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra premium or specialized. For the price, you get great peace of mind. Product number 4, Smart Bike Tail Light. Next up is the Smart Bike Tail Light, priced at $26.13. What really caught my eye is its auto on-off feature, which means it senses when you stop moving. If you want something that's both smart and practical, this is a good option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic activation not only saves battery, but also ensures you're always visible when you need to be. Plus, the bright LED lights are designed to be seen from a distance, providing an extra layer of safety. Easy mounting makes it a breeze to install too. However, some users found the brightness to be insufficient in broad daylight. Now here's the thing, while it might not be as visible as some other options during the day, it shines perfectly in low-light conditions and at night. This is perfect for tech-savvy riders who appreciate smart features. Skip this if you primarily ride during the day and need maximum visibility. For its functionality, it's a unique choice that's worth considering. Product number 5, Night Rider Solas 250. Finally, we have the Night Rider Solas 250, which is a bit pricier but offers excellent features. Although the exact price is not listed, it's popular among serious cyclists. If you want something that shines brightly and has a daylight flash mode, this is a must-see. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 250 lumens output means you'll be highly visible even in daylight, which is crucial for safety. The easy installation means you can swap it between bikes without hassle, and the long battery life ensures you won't be changing it frequently. However, some folks mention that it can be too bright at times, which can be distracting for others. But honestly, in the cycling world, being visible is a priority, so it's a minor trade-off. This is perfect for serious road cyclists who ride often and want top-notch visibility. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment. So to wrap it up, we've got the Canway for its value, the USB rechargeable light for its versatility, the Ultra Bright 2 pack for budget-friendly redundancy, the Smart Bike Tail Light for its tech-savvy features, and the Night Rider Sola's 250 for serious visibility. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but it all comes down to what you value most in a bike tail light. Choose wisely and ride safe.